What is subcontracting? In today's manufacturing world, many companies rely on external vendors to manufacture their products because they understand that scaling production is not always about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. And that's where subcontracting comes in. Subcontracting is a manufacturing process where you outsource part or all of your production to a third-party vendor. You send them the raw materials or components, and they transform it into finished products. By leveraging subcontracting strategically, organizations can increase operational flexibility and optimize overall performance. Sounds simple, but when you provide materials by yourself, complexity kicks in. For example, imagine a company that manufactures metal components. They send parts to external vendor to assembly, the vendor processes them, and sends back the final product. But internally, nobody has a clear and real-time view of what's happening. Everything is reactive, not controlled. You must know that without the right system, subcontracting can quickly turn into chaos. Lost inventory, no visibility on vendor stock, production delays, and manual tracking everywhere. And that directly impacts in your cost and your ability to scale. But work through the right system where subcontracting is fully integrated with your operations, you can track every component you send, see vendor stock in real time, automate replenishment flows, and receive finished products with everything updated automatically. Now subcontracting is no longer a blind spot. It becomes a control extension of your production. By optimizing subcontracting, companies can increase flexibility, reduce operational strain, improve overall efficiency and service levels. In conclusion, by using external partners in the right way, companies can adapt faster to market demands, optimize their resources, and drive sustainable growth. Do you want to see how subcontracting works in real operations? In the next video, I will show you how it can be managed in Odoo step by step. See you in the next video.